Bull market or bear market, these are not just symbols. They actually make and break your wealth. Now, today we understand the market cycles that shape your financial future, right? A bull market basically happens when the market rises 20% or more from its recent low, Nifty climbing from 8,000 to 26,000, that was a legendary bull run. 5 signs to look for, right? GDP growing, low unemployment, rising corporate profits, positive sentiment, and foreign institutional investors buying. From 2020 to 2024, Nifty actually delivered 225% return, one of India's greatest bull markets. A bear market happens when the market falls 20% or more from its recent high, In March 2020, Nifty crashed from 12,430 to 7,511, a 39% fall in just 40 days. The COVID crash, basically. 5 warning signs: slowing GDP, rising unemployment, corporate cost-cutting, panic selling, and foreign institutional investors pulling money out, right? The key is to understand it, not fear it. Bull and bear markets have very different triggers, Bull market drivers: interest rate cuts, strong earnings, government reforms, and a global rally, right? Bear market drivers: rate hikes, recession fears, geopolitical crisis, or a pandemic-style black swan event. The most important insight: markets actually move on future expectations, not current reality. Even when things look good, markets can fall if those expectations disappoint, India's market history has been a remarkable roller coaster. From 2003 to 2007, the Sensex ran from 3,000 to 21,000, a 600% bull run, Then the 2008 global financial crisis wiped out 60%, right? The 2020 COVID crash delivered a 38% fall in just 40 days. But what followed was actually historic. Nifty climbed from 8,000 to 26,000 between 2020 and 2024, India's biggest ever bull run. After every single crash, the market has gone on to make new all-time highs, In a bull market, resist greed, avoid overleveraging, and keep a cash buffer, In a bear market, do not panic sell, buy quality stocks at a discount, and increase your SIP, right? Remember the most powerful rule in investing: time in the market is basically always better than trying to time the market. Investors who stayed invested through bear markets actually earned the biggest long-term returns, Market cycle: they always have and always will, Bulls and bears are both part of every market cycle, right? And remember, bear markets actually create the greatest buying opportunities of your investing lifetime, basically. Stay invested.